How to work with multiple Facebook accounts. To run multiple Facebook accounts, you need to use an Antidetect browser. So this browser allows you to create multiple profiles, and in each of these profiles you will have Facebook account. You can sign in into each account, or you can just copy your cookies.
If you buy Facebook accounts, in many cases you get cookies with them, so you just copy it. And in another case, if you would like to sign in into your own account or account which you are currently running somewhere, I would recommend to use extension which is called Edit This Cookie. It's on Chrome Store. When you created a profile with proxy and optionally cookies,
then you click Run button and it creates another window, and in that window you have a separate Facebook account. So you just click Run button multiple times on each account, and you have multiple windows with different Facebook accounts in each of them. These browsers, they generate unique fingerprints for each profile. And what is fingerprint? When you visit different websites, they can see different information about your computer, like resolution, screen resolution, locales which you have on your computer, which extensions are installed, things like that, fonts, and a lot of other information. And these websites can compare this information with different visitors and understand if it's the same person visiting their website. So that's why these profiles, they have different fingerprints, and they look like different computers. But another important thing what you need to have is proxy. Each profile should have separate proxy, and what is proxy? It's address, port, username and password of kind of in easy words, it provides you a separate IP address. So and this IP address, it's number, in easy words, it's number of your computer, kind of. And each account, each profile should have separate proxy, so it should have separate IP address. And because of this, websites which you visit will think that each your profile is located in very different locations, because by IP they can determine the location of the country usually. And what's more important, they will see that these profiles, they have different IP addresses, so it's high probability that they run from different computers. And if we so talking about these features, fingerprints and IP address, proxy, it's enough to look like totally different person, totally different computer from another location. And these Antidetect browsers, they allow you to have unique fingerprints for each profile, and they allow you to insert proxy into each profile. So how to add these Facebook accounts into these browsers? There are two ways how you can do this. The first way is you can import cookies, and another way, you can just click Run button, open Facebook, and then login with login and password as usual. But the first option is slightly better, because when you sign in, the website, Facebook performs security checks, and when it does it, it can your account may got some restrictions. You can get to checkpoint where it will ask you for different information like picture and other things. So the best option is to sign in with cookies. Actually, not sign in, but just copy and paste cookies, and then run the account. And in many cases, your account will be already signed in. You won't need to use login and password to login. But if you see this login field, login form, it's not a problem. You just use your email and password for this account, or instead email it can be profile ID or phone number, and the password, and you will sign in into the account. There are different anti-detect browsers which allow you to run multiple profiles with fingerprints and allow to insert proxies in each of them. They usually cost about $100 per month or something like that if you have not big amount of accounts. But if you use QCOM tool for Facebook cold outreach, for sending a mass message, bulk messages, friend requests, and automatically like posts and other things, then such anti-detect browser is included for you for free. So it's a desktop application, and you install it on your computer, you run it, and you create add profile, and this way you add multiple profiles. Then you have just list of profiles, and each of these profiles has run button. You click it, profile starts, and you work with it. So it's pretty simple. It's included into QCOM license, so just download it and use it. The day when I recorded, it's in beta, but it will be released soon. So if you download it right now, if you want to download it right now, just contact our support, and you will get the link to download it. The important thing I would like to mention is that you can't just sign up on Facebook and use these accounts right away. Most probably when you start sending messages, these accounts will be blocked. So what you need to do, you need to warm these accounts.
Or you can buy accounts, usually such accounts called pre-warmed accounts, and also as an option you can try accounts which are called aged Facebook accounts, but in this case you will need to warm them up a little bit. Talking about accounts which you signed manually,
it takes about at least 2 weeks. So you need to behave like usual person, serve visit different groups, pages, profiles, scroll different things, maybe look at some photos, and do things like that periodically. For example, you open profile each day, do some activity for some period of time, and close it. And the same thing with each profile. And you do it once, for example, once a day. Maybe it's not required to do 7 days, do it 7 days a week, maybe let's say 5 days or something like that. And if you don't want to warm it on your own, you can buy these accounts from different shops. Usually it's called pre-warmed Facebook accounts or something like that, or farmed accounts. So when you buy them, you just copy their cookies into profile, and you of course insert proxy and run the profile. Usually it works this way. If you see login form, you insert email, password, and login. Sometimes it might ask you for a 6-digit number to confirm that it's you. And these profiles sometimes have a long key which contains a lot of letters and maybe numbers, and you can use different websites or just Google Authenticator app to generate these numbers to sign in. And sometimes it asks you to verify your email by sending a code to email address which was used, which is connected to Facebook account. So that's what I wanted to add about which accounts should be used, about their trust. That is how you can use multiple Facebook accounts at the same time. Thank you for watching. Use QCOM software, do cold outreach on Facebook, Facebook outbound sales, book a lot of appointments, and have a good day. Bye.